When you're choosing between TunnelBear VPN and ExpressVPN, you're looking at two VPNs that serve different purposes. TunnelBear is fantastic for beginners or those new to VPNs, while ExpressVPN is ideal for more experienced users, especially if you're looking to spoof your location globally. In this comparison, I'll break down how each of these tools stacks up, and at the end, I'll give you an alternative that might better serve your needs. First thing, ease of use. TunnelBear stands out for its simplicity. If you've never used a VPN before, it's incredibly user-friendly. The interface is clean, intuitive, and perfect for anyone who's just starting out. You get a literal map to choose your server locations, and the whole setup process is smooth. On the other hand, ExpressVPN is a little more complex. While not overly difficult to use, it's designed with a more experienced user in mind. The settings are packed with options, which can feel overwhelming if you're new to VPNs. Next thing, server coverage and speed. When it comes to server options, ExpressVPN is the clear winner. It has servers in 94 countries, allowing you to spoof your location almost anywhere in the world. This makes it a top choice if you're looking to unlock region-restricted content or protect your identity while browsing globally. TunnelBear, while decent, only offers servers in around 20 countries. This is more than enough if you're using a VPN for basic privacy, but doesn't compare if you're trying to mask your location on a global scale. Speed-wise, ExpressVPN generally outperforms TunnelBear. ExpressVPN servers are fast and stable, which is crucial if you're streaming or gaming. TunnelBear is slower in comparison, especially when it comes to its free plan. The third thing, privacy and security. Both VPNs are solid in this department, but there are differences. TunnelBear offers AES 256-bit encryption and a no-logs policy, which is pretty standard. It also has a feature called Vigilant Bear, a kill switch that disconnects your internet if the VPN fails, protecting your data. ExpressVPN also has AES 256-bit encryption and a no-logs policy, but it's headquartered in the British Virgin Islands, which is outside the reach of most surveillance agencies. It's known for its rigorous privacy standards and transparency reports, making it one of the best when it comes to protecting your online data. Next, let's talk about pricing. TunnelBear offers a free plan with 500 megabytes of data per month, which is pretty limited but perfect for light users. Its paid plans start reasonably, but it's not the most affordable if you need more than just basic service. ExpressVPN, on the other hand, is more expensive, but you're paying for high-end features, unlimited bandwidth, top-tier security, and the ability to spoof your location anywhere. If you're just starting out and don't need heavy-duty features, TunnelBear might work, but if you're serious about security and flexibility, ExpressVPN's price tag might be worth it. The fifth thing, customer support. Both offer solid customer support, but ExpressVPN edges ahead here with 24/7 live chat support and a vast knowledge base. TunnelBear does offer email support and a helpful FAQ, but if you need more immediate help, it's not as responsive as ExpressVPN. Now, here's the open loop. TunnelBear is great for first-time VPN users, and ExpressVPN is perfect for those who want to spoof their location on a global scale. But after testing both, I found a better alternative that delivers on both ease of use and global location spoofing without breaking the bank. If you're looking for the best of both worlds and a better deal, check out the link in the description for a free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Trust me, you won't regret it.